guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nav, and today we're gonna check out one of my newest listings, 87 Peter Street. It's in the heart of the entertainment district right here in Toronto. I'm gonna give you guys a beautiful tour of the property, and by the time you guys see this video, it's probably gonna be sold, but that's okay. That's just how hot the Toronto market is right now. We're right now in bumper to bumper traffic. It's kind of normal when you live in Toronto. And we'll see how it goes. Let's see. Like, we're probably maybe 5 kilometers away from the property right now, but I mean, the problem is with Toronto is a 5-kilometer drive in the heart of Toronto is roughly like 30 minutes. It's kind of crazy, but what are you gonna do? We live in a pretty saturated city. It's pretty tight here. So I'll see you guys shortly. I'm enjoying my coffee right now as I'm driving with autopilot. And I'll catch you guys very soon as I arrive to the property. About the Toronto market. Right now, the condo market in downtown Toronto is one of the hottest it's ever been. You know, you'll never find a condo right now less than roughly $1,100 a square foot, which is absolutely absurd and unheard of previously in Toronto. We're expecting multiple offers on this unit, and we're expecting it to be sold over asking. Sorry, I'm just driving right now, and it's okay. We'll be driving while we talk. If you look around us right now, there are developments happening everywhere in Toronto. You are seeing projects being built in every corner. Pre-construction is one of the hottest things right now as an investor. So if you're looking to, stock up on your cash and park it somewhere, I can guarantee you that buying pre-construction is one of the best investments right now in Toronto. I know a lot of the clients that I've worked with have made almost 100% in return on their deposit within a couple of years just because they bought pre-construction. So if you are an investor, guys, and you're looking to park your cash somewhere for a couple of years, then I definitely recommend buying some pre-construction, especially in Toronto. One of the hottest neighborhoods is called Yorkville. This is located right at Yonge and Bloor. We also have hot neighborhoods like Queen Street West and King Street West, and these are where the financial districts are and the entertainment districts are, as well as Front Street, where you have the lake views, right? You're right around the CN Tower, the Rogers Center, the Air Canada Center. So as an investor, you're gonna wanna always look for your location. This is one of the most important things when investing, obviously, in real estate. Just a quick reminder that, always make sure you are working with a real estate agent, guys. Real estate agents always know where to invest your money best. And if you're working with the right agent, then your investment will be right as well. What's up, guys? Welcome to 87 Peter Street. We're right now roughly around Spadina and Adelaide, right in the entertainment district. Now right now we're in the back of the building, and we're gonna head over to the front, but I just wanted to give you a quick breakdown of the building itself. It was completed roughly about a year ago, and my client of mine owns a 1+1, which is a 1-bedroom plus den. It's roughly around 570 square foot. We're gonna be listing this baby for $649, and we're expecting a crazy amount of showings, and we're expecting multiple offers. So I'm 100% certain we're gonna get this condo sold in no time. So let's go to the front and let's take a tour of the property. guys, so we're finally in the suite. We're in 4307, which means we're on the 43rd floor. Now this unit is facing north, so you have a beautiful skyline view of the downtown area. It is 576 square foot, so it is a little bit of a smaller unit, but keep in mind that is pretty average when it comes to downtown living. So we're actually right now in the living space, which is furnished very well. My VIP clients of mine have actually tenants in this unit right now, so they're not living in this themselves. So you can see that the tenants are very clean and very organized. So that's always really nice when buying a rental property, is you always want to have good tenants. Micro kitchen as well, so everything is built in within the cabinets as well as the fridge. So the fridge is actually built in right into the cabinetry, which is very nice. It just blends in, and when you're living in a space so small, you want things to blend in. If you guys come with me, right after the living area, you'll be walking into your bedroom. And bedroom is decently sized for downtown living. I mean, I've seen much smaller bedrooms, you know, especially when you're living in a studio, your bedroom is living literally in the living space. So having a bedroom this size is fantastic when it comes to living in downtown. It's definitely much larger than any other average bedroom in any other condo. If you come with me this way, then you'll see the den. Now the den can usually be used as an office. I know I've seen a lot of units where people use them as an additional closet, but it is a larger space. This one typically is much larger than what I've seen, and the tenants right now are currently using it for a little bit of an office space as well as additional closet space. So it's always nice to have a den. If you're looking to buy an investment, I always recommend going for a 1+1. That way you do have that extra space. Now right here is what I would call your little mini foyer. So when you would walk into the unit, the first thing you're gonna see is your washroom. And the washroom, again, very decently sized, very clean, and obviously brand new because the building was built about a year ago. Now, one thing I love about the floor plan of this unit is that your laundry and your ensuite laundry is not just placed in the middle of the living room. It's actually placed in the washroom, which is perfect because that way it's not really just obstructing your living space. It's not taking up much. It's a little bit of just taking up a bit of your washroom, and that's not really a big deal, guys. 576 square foot is this unit right here. And right now, you won't find anything in the downtown area that's less than $1,100 a square foot. So we are expecting to get over $1,150 a foot for this unit. And like I said, guys, we're gonna be on the market very soon, and we're expecting a crazy amount of showings and multiple offers within the first couple days. So my goal here is to get this property sold within 48 hours. My favorite thing about this unit is the view. So if you guys come with me, I wanna show you guys this view, because what's amazing about living in any downtown area is always having a great view. Now this unit doesn't have any obstructed views. It has the northwest side and the northeast side. So you have a clean view of all of the downtown area. This is the west side and that is the east side. There's not much happening on this side, and obviously you have the beautiful condominiums and office buildings on your right side. So that is definitely a plus when it comes to living in this unit. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys got a better understanding for what it looks like to pay over $1,150 a square foot living in the downtown area. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and that subscribe button, guys. It's really going to help the channel, and we're going to have some crazy tours coming up soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned. My name is Nav. I'm a top realtor from Toronto, and I'll see you guys next time.